So, hello, once again, I'm back on my Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 AMD edition, and as always, I'm recording locally and streaming. Today is on YouTube Live service. Before I will continue, let's check out if the stream is working properly, sound and all. We have to go in the Vivaldi browser. So let's see. Perfect. So pausing and muting, and let's continue. We are back in Rocky Linux 10.2. Here is the system information. You can pause the stream or later the video on my YouTube channel and take a good look at your own pace. Pay attention to the screen resolution, which today is 1440p. Basically the native screen resolution 2880 by 1800 running at 120 Hz. And I'm recording and streaming in this native screen resolution but at 30 FPS. And yeah, we'll leave it a moment here and then I will show you my OBS settings. Let me hide it. Let's go to the OBS settings now. Here we are, native screen resolution 30 FPS. Using hardware encoders, FMPEG AAC for the audio, FMPEG VAP8264 for the video, 16,000 bitrate, and for the file I'm using MKV. So with these things out of the way, let's go and check out again in the Vivaldi browser in DistroWatch what is Rocky Linux. So here we are, DistroWatch, Rocky Linux. Rocky Linux is a community enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It is available for the x86-64 and ARCH-64 processor architectures. Not much info here, but you can pay a visit in the official website. Enterprise Linux the community way. Rocky Linux is an open source enterprise operating system designed to be 100% bug-for-bug compatible with Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Rocky Linux is under intensive development by the community. They have plenty of good information. Here is the download page for it. As we said before, it has various architectures, as you can see up here. Then they have various images in various versions. So pay attention the version that you're going to get for your own system, your own work or whatever home environment, etc., etc. So basically, I got the version Intel AMD 64 basically, and with KDE Plasma. This is the official Rocky Linux wiki page, plenty of good information, links, etc. And then this is the official Wikipedia page of Rocky Linux. So take a good amount of time, free time, and do some reading. Personally, I haven't heard any good things about this distribution. Always came up related to Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio. Supposedly it's the official distro that they recommend, and I said to myself, just give it a shot. Maybe you will find something good, something bad, something both of those things. So here we are. And so far I have been trying to customize the system. So this is my top panel. As you can see, I'm already there. Daytime with the Swedish week numbers, the weather, of course, the system utilities. Sorry. Sorry. I'm really sorry. I apologize. The network speed, and also I somewhat borrowed the official logo and created this application launcher icon here. And then this is my menu. and then this is my dock. So work is progressing as best as possible. Here is the terminal. I think I mentioned this the other day, but I have my my Copilot key in order, so you can use it no problem at all. And then also I did theming. You know, I'm usually using my suite theme, my beauty line icons, suite cursors, and then I create my own cursor sets. But today is not the time yet, and this is what is happening so far with the rising, with the theming. Let me show you. I'll try to launch all the apps in my dock. So this is system settings, this is volume control, Dolphin, file manager, resources. So as you can see, everything is working properly. Emoji selector. What else? Calculator. Let me place them in the correct for me position for now. How about GIMP? So as you can see, everything works properly. So far so good, and we're almost done now. So let's place Tenacity here as well. So here, as you can see, everything works properly with my theming, rising, however you want to call it, no problem at all. The performance, it's like most other Linux distributions. I cannot say that it's lacking or something. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I have no negative things to say about the Rocky Linux situation, and let me now quit the apps as soon as possible and continue. So basically, I told you yesterday that I had a few not crashes but hang-ups on the boot up process. Some incompatibility maybe with the computer that I'm using, or I don't know, maybe because it is using an older kernel. I don't know what the issue is, but after the setup, the installing the applications that I wanted to install, customizing the system, etc., it didn't happen again since yesterday. So maybe it was some kind of a fluke, maybe because after the first initial installation setup, I'm not sure. But if it will happen again, I will let you know about it. And also, back to the terminal, I have also managed and created the Rocky script, one script to rule them all. So basically, you just type Rocky, you enter your password, and it updates everything related to the system. And if I will notice anything else weird with it in the days ahead, I will try to fix it. But so far, so good. And in general, things seem promising quite a lot, I must say. I don't know why all the hate. Maybe it's Blackmagic's fault, I'm not sure, but I don't know. I haven't run into any insane problems with the distro. On the contrary, after reading and watching and hearing other people talking about Rocky Linux, I'm gladly surprised for the things that I'm experiencing so far. Anyway, no need to drag this any longer. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!